Hi there. Today we are going to make pizza doughs at home. Very soft, silky, very easy and quick. I just bought KitchenAid house mixer. Looks so lovely as an interior. Very perfect size. Not so small, not so big, just perfect, yeah. So to make a pizza dough, we need flour, which called maida, komegiko 300 grams, then hot water 165 ml, and then 18 ml of oil saradabra, yeah? And then dry yeast and sugar 3 gram each. And if you like, you can add sugar for the taste, yeah, but I haven't taken sugar. So this is flour, hot water, oil, salt and dry yeast, yeah. What I would do, in the bowl I will mix flour, dry yeast and salt, all dry things, and if you're using sugar, add sugar as well. Now I'm going to set this bowl to my KitchenAid mixer, just perfect. I'll set that up and speed to 1 and run that for 30 seconds or even 1 minute, yeah. And then I will add, while mixer is running, I'll add oil, yeah. And then after running for a few seconds, I will add water little by little, not at once, just be careful here, and run that for another 2 minutes on the same speed. Here I go, I added all the water. I'm leaving that for 2 minutes there, and once dough is become 1, I move the speed lever to 2, speed 2, not very fast, and leave it for 6 minutes on KitchenAid. And here you go, our dough is ready. Believe me guys, it's so silky, so soft and so nice feeling in hand, yeah. Now I'm going to make a round of those dough, and then I create one dough and I'm going to cut those into 4. From 300 gram of flour, I'm going to make 4 doughs, which is suitable for our home oven, yeah. I'll take one of those and make a round circle. Very soft, just trust me guys, this is so nice, yeah. So, and I would also suggest you to spray some oil and leave it for 1 hour to 1.5 hours. This is the oil spray I bought at Costco. I spray on top of the doughs and leave those for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, yeah, and our dough is ready for making pizzas.